The first step in completing a beard shape up is to pick out the hair, and this stretches the hair to its full length. Now next, with the clipper fully open, the lever fully open, you want to begin to shape the beard. And the reason I say use the lever open is because you want to give yourself room for error. Especially if you're new to beard shaping, with the lever closed, it's gonna cut a lot more hair than if the lever was open. And the main thing is just that you want to take your time. And so after you do this one time, you want to pick the hair out and repeat this process again. That way that you make sure that you're actually shaping the hair and not just getting the loose hairs. This is how you get a proper trim. The next step is to outline the beard with the trimmer. And as you can see, I didn't go aggressive with the trim because this type of trim is a trim, but he's still trying to get it to grow longer. So that's why I didn't take off too much. And with this beard line, you want to keep it as high and natural as possible. So notice how I'm getting a nice sharp line, but I'm not digging into the beard. You want to make sure that your trimmers are set for under the neck as well. Make sure that they're not too sharp because they will irritate the neck. Now when doing the mustache, make sure that your trimmers are not set sharp too, because this can be a really sensitive area. Now we're going to pick the beard out and we're going to do the exact same thing that we just did on the other side. So pick the hair out, shape it, pick it out one more time, and shape it again. And once again, remember to keep that beard line as high and as natural as you can. Of course, you still want to get a sharp line, but don't compromise the length on the beard. Because if you take the beard down, that kind of defeats the whole purpose of growing a beard in the first place. And a lot of men are very particular about keeping their beard thick, so if you take it down, you could potentially lose a customer. You can get the shave gel that I'm using in this video on the Barber Style Directory Amazon store. Here I've compiled a list of all types of barber supplies and all of the supplies that I use in these videos. So if you want to pick something up, it does help the channel. So if you purchase something, thank you guys in advance. But back to the video. You have some people that their skin can take a dry shave. I just like to be safe and just use shave gel for every client, but that's totally your preference. When using the razor on the mustache, you want to make sure that you really saturate that area with shave gel. And okay guys, here's the end result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.